Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add a clickable location link like a Google Maps link to your Canva invitation. This is perfect for birthday, wedding events, so your guests can find the location with one tap. Let's get started. First, your invitation design. Here I have designed the invitation cards simply. Then go to canva.com or open the Canva apps. Open your existing invitation design. Here I have opened the invitation designs or create a new one using one of Canva's many templates. Once your invitation is open, decide where you want to the located link to go. It could be on the bottom near the date and time or under the venue name. Then get your Google Maps links. Now open Google Maps in a new tab. Type in new event location like here I have located New York and Monk MC Jeans. And once it show up, click the share button and here you can click the share button and the choose copy link. Here you can see this the copy link, that's your clickable location link. So you can also shorten the link using a service like a bit.ly if you want a cleaner look. So then the next step is add the link in Canva. So go back to Canva and now select the text. Here select where you want to add a link. For example, the venue name like Center Park. Here is my Murar State, New York, United States. Then click the link icon. Here you can see this link icon is in the top toolbar. It's like a chain link. You can see this and paste Google Map. Here you can then you can see this paste the Google Maps URL into the box and hit enter or click apply. So done, I click done. Now the text is clickable in the final design. Then especially useful for PDF invites or email invites. So here you can see this the maps are showing. To test your link, click the share button. Here you can see this the share button uh, and choose download options and you can check this. Here you can see this the download options and select PDF standard. So here you can see this PDF standard or PDF print. You can see this PDF print. This keep links clickable. So now I am choosing the PDF standard and open the downloaded PDF and click on the text. So now I have downloaded this. Takes a few times. Then open the maps. Waiting. Here you can see this the it should open Google Maps in your browser or phone apps. So click on the text. Here you can see this the link is shown. So now you can see this the if you are sharing digitally by email, WhatsApp or social, the link will work perfectly. So here you can see this the location is shown on my screen. Want to make it stand out, try adding a small location icon next to your linked text. Just search map pin in Canvas element tab. You can also add a QR code to Google Maps link using Canvas built-in QR code generator. Super helpful for printed invited. So and that's it. That's how you add a location link to your Canva invitation, step by step, easy and fast, super helpful for your guests. So hope you are enjoying this video and don't forget to subscribe the channels.